PostScript PS is the grandfather of the PDF. It is a language printers understand. Windows doesn't open it natively anymore, but you can convert it to PDF easily using free tools like Ghostscript. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert it. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the PS archive, even if it can't fully extract it. PostScript.ps is a page description language primarily used in desktop publishing and printing. Developed by Adobe systems, it defines the layout of text and graphics on a page, enabling high-quality printing and display. PS files are device-independent, ensuring consistent output across different printers and displays. They can contain both vector and raster graphics. PostScript files are interpreted by a PostScript interpreter, typically found in printers or software applications. The language uses a stack-based architecture and includes operators for drawing shapes, manipulating text, and managing color. PS files can be complex, supporting advanced features like font embedding, color management, and image compression. They are often converted to PDF for easier distribution. The proprietary opener for the PS file structure is typically Adobe Acrobat by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The operating system generally only reads the file's header information, not its full content. Windows displays plain content, but full editing workflows require a supporting application. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the data. Right-click the PS file and click Open with. Test Adobe Acrobat first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right key is on your PC. If your PS file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the PS file is refusing to open. First, use Ghostscript.viewer. Open the file using a PostScript viewer like Ghostscript under GSView or Adobe Acrobat Distiller. Next, convert to PDF. Use the software's print to PDF function or a conversion tool to convert the PS file to PDF. Finally, check printer driver. Ensure the file was created using a compatible PostScript printer driver. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your PS file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the PS file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution. Keep troubleshooting, and don't give up on those tough files.